Copilot will automatically create a summary based on the content of an individual email or an entire email thread. This feature helps you to comprehend the entire information and quickly grasp the key points. So in this quick video, let's dive in and understand this feature of Copilot in New Outlook. So let's jump on in. So I have one email conversation in my inbox. Here it is. So when opening this conversation, so you will see summary by Copilot option become available on the top. So this can summarize emails, allow you to review key points in individual email or long threads. This feature helps identify relevant information and tasks within messages. So I will click on this and you will see in seconds I will get summary of all the email thread. So you can also note that each paragraph there is a number provided which indicates the email refers within the thread. So here I am talking about a series of emails, that's why every paragraph showing a specific email. So you can click on it and you can directly jump to that email for your reference. In case you are only using this option for a single email, you don't get this option. Now please note the presence of a Ask Copilot button which open the Copilot panel. This feature allows you to inquiry about a specific detail related to the thread or for further explore the provided summary. So you can notice we have some prompt options here on the top, like what should be on my radar from email last week, what new in my inbox, and help me prepare for a day. You can also enter your own prompt over here. For instance, I might enter a prompt, say understand what are the key points in this email. So this approach provides us more comprehensive summary of the main points. So you will see, so you are asking for the key points of the email thread regarding the preparation of our store data and readiness of the review meeting. Scroll a little bit, you will have meeting overview, required preparations, inventory, stock position, receipt and issues, compliance documents, physical readiness, and presentative path. You will have also logistic and confirmation required, some clarification and follow-ups, and you will see this is the referred email. You can simply click on it and check out the further detail over here. So it is important to note that follow-up questions can continue to be asked as needed. So this is the place you can further use this prompts which are already given, or you can create your own prompt over here. So if I click help me draft the presentation slides for the meeting, simply click on it and hit generate. Copilot will do all the necessary activities for you in few seconds. So by beginning with the fundamental summary and then utilizing the Copilot panel to explore further, see the generated RDSS review meeting presentation file has been saved in OneDrive. You can check out your OneDrive and that file, your presentation in the PPT is already saved in your OneDrive. You can use this link to open that presentation. So this is one of the greatest feature of Copilot. It can summarize your email, and not only summarize, it can further help you to give additional information. You can get the presentation from it. You can also include photos and store layout. There are tons of different angles you can explore Copilot and summarize your email according to your requirement. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.